kiss for you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to the part 5 of my video series on OSM Droid SDK using Kotlin language in Android Studio. Alright guys, so we will continue from where we had left inside the part 4. So this will be the part 5, and now first of all we will add the user permission. So you have to go to your Android manifest file, and in here you have to make sure that all these 3 permissions are there. Access course location, access file location, and the internet permission. Alright, and after that, as you guys can see that this is the main activity, and in here we have the 5 buttons, and we have done the first activity the simple location activity, in which we were able to display a map and display the marker onto that map. Alright, but there was a mistake. So here if you see that inside are these button toggles set on click listener, we had set the text to satellite view, and if the users again press the same button, then we will have to show the user the normal view. Alright, and in here we have to write is satellite equal to not is satellite. Alright, so basically it will inverse whatever the value of is satellite is. If it is true, it will make it to false, and if it is false, it will convert it into true. Alright, so that's it. And also I had forgotten to add the configuration required to load the map. So here you have to add it to all of your activities. So for that, let me write configuration dot get instance dot load, and inside that it is asking me for the context, and the second argument it is asking me for the shared preference. So for that we can say get application context and then we have to use the get shared preference, and in here we have to name it as OSM droid underscore settings, and we have to set the mode, and we will set the mode as private. Alright, so that is it. Now it's all fine. So now we are able to view or display the marker. Let me show you. I have connected my phone, and here it is. So we will run the application and let's see if it works fine. Let me just refresh my phone screen. Alright guys, so now the application is going to be installed on my phone, so we will be able to test whatever we have done so far. Alright, and now it is asking for me first of all to access the device location, so we have to grant the user permission, and now you guys can see permissions granted. Alright, and if I go back and if I open the application again, and so it is not asking me for the permission because it already has granted the permission to this application. Alright, so now we will click on simple map with marker, and there you guys can see that we are able to load the map and display a marker, and if I click on the marker there you can see it has the title as well as the description. This is current location marker. Alright, so our first part, I mean the first activity is completed. We are able to display the map onto the user screen. So now what we are going to do is we are going to now we will add another activity, and in that activity we will try to fetch the user location or the user last known location. Alright, so basically it will not be the live location, but the location already saved onto the user mobile, so the precision will be very low. So I think we can do that in our next part of this video series. So guys, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and goodbye.